As a matter of fact, there was not even a single occasion of public participation in the selection of the 47 counties. And they were provisional, and the committee of experts were very clear that we are starting with 47 as provisional. And their creation was arbitrary. Why was it arbitrary? Because people became lazy in Naivasha. People did not want to work and have a basis. The original provisions or proposals were 8 regional governments and 74 counties. Those 74 counties were based on scientific analysis by the late Odhiambo and his team. The 47 are created on the basis of existing administrative units created for a centralized government, not for a devolved system of government. They are the old districts that were gazetted as at 1992 by previous administrations. Now, that process was very unfair and skewed. There are areas that traditionally were excluded from being given district. But even then, the ones that were existing and gazetted by 1992, not all of them were made counties. And there are others that existed but had not been gazetted but were made counties. So basically, what we are trying to say is that the current 47 counties have not been premised on the objects, on the principles of devolution as recognized in our constitution. Yes. There are administrative units for a centralized system of government. They are not units for a devolved system of government. And then there must be a review on that basis. I hope we have demystified that myth. In other words, Kenya can have less counties or it can have more counties. But for purposes of equity, because the parameters that have been used to create the 47 have been used to deny other people who are deserving, it is only in the interest of equity, fair and justice that the counties that share the same parameters as the ones that currently exist be given the same opportunity. And I can give you examples.
Through the chair.
Yes.
What about Article 6.1 of the Constitution, which says that the territory of Kenya is divided into counties specified in the first schedule?
That is why I'm saying it can be amended.
So boundaries vis-a-vis, readjusting the boundaries vis-a-vis creating more counties could be two distinct things.
Creating new counties has nothing to do with boundary of Kenya, because they are within the boundaries of Kenya. In fact, there's a Latin principle, e pluribus unum, out of many, one. So there's nothing, absolutely, that Article 6, actually we should look at Article 6 in terms of providing proximate services to the people. We should look at the principles of devolution, of giving communities a chance to govern themselves. Yes. Of giving communities a chance to make their own decisions. Those are the principles that we should look at. All the counties will be within the territory of Kenya. We will not create a county in the territory of Uganda. Yes. So,
Mheshimiwa, may I ask something?
Yes, please.
You have a very strong point. And if you look at Article 6.1 against the Article 255, you realize already Article 6.1 says that the territory of Kenya is divided into counties specified in the first schedule. Now, the first schedule lists down 47 counties.
Yes.
That in itself is the structure of Kenya, of devolved government. One national government, 47 counties. So what that means, therefore, is if you want to bring in new counties, my thinking, I could be wrong. And for your information, I'm extremely sympathetic to what you're doing because it affects my people, the Tessos. Okay? So I feel them, and I know what it is they go through, and how much they want to have their independence. Now, but is that to mean, therefore, since you're literally touching on the structure from 47 counties to the new number that you want us to have, isn't that aren't you affecting the structure of government? Because the structure as stipulated in the Constitution is one national government and 47 counties. So which would mean maybe there may be a referendum aspect in it. Maybe that's something you